Everyone, welcome back. My name is Christine. This is Mr. Bangles, and that means you're watching Hobby's Corner. It is April 2nd, time to do our random draw to see which lucky winner will receive a bag of jewelry from me. I've gone ahead and put all the names of the individuals who qualified by like and commenting on the video that was posted on April the 1st. We had 22 potential entries, and so we're going to go ahead and take a look and see who that lucky winner is. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's spin the wheel and see who the lucky winner is. I'm so excited. I have no idea. Who is it going to be? Barbara. It's Barbara. Congratulations, Barbara. I'm going to write your name down. Give me 1 second. Because you know what? Congratulations, Barbara. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to remove Barbara's name, and I'm feeling kind of generous, so we're going to give away 2 bags of jewelry tonight. So let's go ahead. Barbara's name will be removed once we spin again, and we'll see who the lucky number 2 winner is. Count with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Who is it going to be? Ding, 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 ding. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Who is the lucky winner? It is our vintage store, Marcia. Well, you know what? Marcia has a jewelry channel where she opens jewelry bags. So we're going to give Marcia something special that she can open on her channel. But because Marcia does have her own channel, we're going to remove her from here. We'll send her a special little gift, and we're going to spin the wheel one more time because I really want a viewer to win this second jewelry bag prize. So let's do it again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Who is the winner going to be? Ding, 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 ding. Can you hear it? Can you hear the spinning and the dinging like we're at the fair? Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? Gina McCarter. Congratulations, everybody. Thank you so much for taking the time to come and watch the videos. And I really love when you leave comments. It was great to see the comments that you left on the April 1st video. I'm going to ask that the winners reach out to me personally through email. My email is in the About Me section, and we'll work out how I can get you your prize, okay? Thanks again, everyone. It's Friday night. I hope you're sitting back, relaxing, and I hope you and your family have a wonderful, safe, and happy Easter. Take care, and until next time, take care of yourselves. See you later. Bye-bye.